Welcome to Osaka! And there is a big dragon. And a big dragon. Hi guys, I'm here at the market and I'm seeing seafood over here. And there is a big rock over here. Whoa! There is shells! Banana cha-cha! Banana cha-cha! Oh! Banana cha-cha! Hi guys! I'm here to show you food. These are food. And he's a cute little puppy, so cute. And these are cookies. Ooh, cool. And I gotta show you something more cool. And this is a cat. And there are more sushi. Welcome to Kyoto. Hi guys. Is this a wonderful day here? And there is a waterfall over there. That's super cool. What guys? There's the waterfall. Hi. You see? Hi guys. I'm in Kyoto. And that's the river. I just walked on the bridge, and these looks like puddles. Hey, this was Bye. Just gotta show you something that's really cute. And here is Snoopy. That's Snoopy. That's not all of them. Here's Snoopy. That chocolate. Snoopy. And what chocolate is? Snoopy. Snoopy. Cute Snoopy over there. Hi, we are at the
Regatta.
regatta. And look at this very giant one. It's so tall. Right, guys? What? 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 Hi, I'm at the deer park, and there is so many deers here, and there is so many people. We can see the deers. Don't you see that? That's super cool. Right, guys? You mean like that?
Yes, feed the deer now.
Алло, щи привет, друзья.
Oh gitu.
He's so cute, like.
Go.
Yay! Hi guys, I'm in Newtown. Hi mommy, and then there's the orange hot house. We are gonna see the flag sleigh. Now can we go, mommy? The house is gone. Minion ride and look. Again, you can ride and look at Snoopy. This is so cute. I like to get this, Mommy. There is a lot of Minions toys over here. There's plenty of Minion over here. And there's Minion. There's so many of them. Hi guys, this is Hello Kitty, so many Hello Kitties. Like that, it's so sad. Hello Kitties, up there. Hi guys! And what's next?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. We have strawberries over here. And there's so many strawberries over here. And there is a normal strawberry so I can